That's also in C rather. Now here in this case I have A and C. I'm correlating this and this together. So the intersection is I can see 2 here, I can see 2 here. So no, you can't have, there is no any other element that exists in the two sets. Hence I can easily tell you that this is what the I can easily tell you that A intersection C is 2. So here in this case I can also tell you that we have what we call a singleton set. A singleton set. A singleton set is a set with just one element, with just one member. So this is an example of singleton set. When you have just one element in a set, it is referred to as what? A singleton what? Set. So that's how it works. Now what if we have, okay, the second question says find A intersection B. This is very, very simple. Just find the intersection between this A and B. Okay, A intersection B, 2 is not here. So at the end of the day, I was unable to pick an element that exists in the two of them. We don't have any element that exists in these two sets. So which implies that we have an empty set. So we denote an empty set as this. Or we denote an empty set as just an empty curly bracket. So anyhow you want it. So since I don't have any intersection, I will rather leave like this, or you write phi. Most of the time we write as phi. And if you can't see this sign very well, some write the phi in this format. Some write it like this. This is another sign entirely. But in some textbook, you see it like this. So anyhow you say, just make sure that it is an empty set. That we've answered these two questions. Then the third one is B intersection C. So I can leave that for you. You can try that yourself. Then the fourth question says find A union C. A union C simply means write out all the elements that exist in both A and B without repetition. Please take note. And I forgot to even tell you the condition about set. The condition that exists for you to write out an element for a set. No matter you write an element for a set, you must not repeat a number twice or even more than twice. Okay, not that writing something like this is totally wrong. 2, 4, 6, 8, then I write 2 again, 4, then 5. This is totally wrong. Set is always without repetition, so you can't repeat a member twice in a set. It's not possible, and it's not allowed. It is not valid. So here in this case, A union C. Now I have 2. Suppose we now have 2 around there, and then by the time you want to write out all the union, then you write 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5. You are not expected to repeat the 2 again for the union. Okay, so